Hey, watch this repair with me together. This is one of my old repairs. Let's analyze it. Let's talk about it. So what do we have here? It's a nice size dent. It has a crease in it. You can see crowns and they go over body line. You can see that right there on top, and a crown is going on top. So this is what I would say pretty nasty dent. It has scratches and that crease in the center. That one is quite sharp, quite nasty. Now, as I repaired this, you know how people say you gotta learn from your own mistakes, but it's even better to learn from other people's mistakes. Now, this is an old repair. It's like a 2 years old, and I see it and I noticed a lot of mistakes I did. First one being right here is I used hot glue instead of using cold glue. It still went pretty nice. Cold glue would just done the job faster. Now keep in mind this is fast forwarded. Another big mistake I didn't do is I didn't use tension. And tension would allow me to have this repair up faster and nicer. I wouldn't be fighting so much crowns I'm fighting right now on this side and on the other side of the dent. But why I didn't use it? Well, first I didn't know how to use them. 2 years ago they were not as popular as they're now. Cold glue and tension I'm talking about. Still, this repair turned out good, but what I'm trying to say is I lost a lot of time on it. I can be done with this today so much faster than I was 2 years ago. Now, as I finish the dent, let's see what I got just with the glue pull before we move on. You can see still the crease is there, which back then I could not glue this crease. Now it could be done, but it's better to push it. As we move on, where I start pushing this dent, let me continue. Actually, let me go back to my mistakes. They say, like I said at the start, you need to learn from your mistakes. What's even better if you learn from other people's mistakes. Why? Because you don't have to make that mistake. Someone else already did it for you, and you can just learn from it and improve. Now, I made mistakes, and I know a guy who did made a lot of mistakes also learning, right? His name is Gene Fetty, and together we are making a seminar that is called Level Up. It's going to be from March 24th to March 28th in Pittsburgh at Gene's shop. If you want to know more about it, check the link. I will leave it down in the description. What we will do is we will do stuff like this that you just saw on video. Sharp dents, creases, bodyline dents, all of the above. We will learn pricing, all those stuff. Now, as we see in the video how this repair actually turned out really great, it could have been fixed faster and more efficient. So if you want to do faster and cleaner repairs, level up now, join me and Gene in Pittsburgh, and if you have any questions, please do reach out to either one of us. Check out the link in the description and level up now.